Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. This amazing product is not only cruelty-free, but it's also a quick and easy multi-surface spray that removes stuck-on dirt with ease. The fresh lemon verbena scent is a delightful way to clean, refresh, and remove odors from non-porous surfaces throughout your home. It's safe to use as a floor cleaner, tile cleaner, on countertops, walls, and so much more. And the best part? Mrs. Meyer's is committed to producing cruelty-free cleaners, so you can feel good about the products you're using in your home. None of their products are tested on animals. So, if you're in the market for a powerful, environmentally friendly cleaner, look no further than Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.